So TJ, we've gone over the setup of MIG welding as far as the difference in setup from stitch weld and plug welds. But there's also some difference in the setup as far as spot resistance weld as well. Can you kind of elaborate on some of those items?
Yeah, the three main adjustments in a squeeze tape resistant spot weld is amperage, the squeezing force of the electrodes, and then the time that the weld is taking place. Some technicians might have the luxury of having a newer machine with an auto set feature, and they think we're good to go, just go ahead and weld it. Absolutely not. You got to do a practice weld, make sure that it is performing as it should before welding on the vehicle. If you don't have that and you have to make some adjustments, if the squeezing force is too high, you'll see some of the weld pool get squished out. You got to back that down a little bit. If you're blowing holes in the material, amperage or the length of the weld could be a factor. But hopefully they're looking at the procedures published by the vehicle maker. They're getting a set that they want you to weld on, especially with like ultra high strength steel and high strength steel. They'll tell you exactly what the amperage should be, what the time of the weld should take place, and the force of the electrodes, as well as the shape of the tip. They'll give it all for you. But if they don't have that, again, a lot of practicing with the same thickness material that they're going to be using on the vehicle itself, and then a destructive weld test is absolutely needed to make sure that it's performing as it should be before welding on the vehicle.
All right, those are great tips. Thank you so much, TJ.
You're welcome.
If you found today's tip helpful, please hit the thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share the video. Comment below for any future suggestions.
These videos are made possible by SCRS. If you aren't currently a member, I encourage you to join. Visit SCRS.com or use the link in the description below.